IgE antibodies against cross-reactive carbohydrate determinants, CCDs, can lead to many positive results in extract-based tests and some molecular allergens. CCDs are predominantly found on allergens in Hymenoptera venoms and allergens of plant origin. To address this issue, Macro Array Diagnostics provides a CCD inhibitor with every Allergy EXplorer test kit. Before the Allergy EXplorer is performed, the inhibitor will block CCD-specific antibodies, and only the protein-specific IgEs that remain in the patient's serum will be detected. This results in the measurement of only the allergen-specific antibodies, which will facilitate the interpretation of your patient's test results. Allergy EXplorer. Flexible, reliable, affordable.